Do you hear that? The roar of a crowd. The insults of the crowd. The insults and the mean words of strangers and sometimes friends. I want you to remember that sound, because if you decide to do something significant out here, you're going to hear that sound often. You're going to fall. You're going to fail. You're going to get bruised. You're going to get hurt. You're going to feel lonely. You're going to be around some people who, when it's convenient, will like you. When it's convenient, will hate you. When it's convenient, will dump you. You're going to hear people insult your dreams. You're going to have people insult your wishes. You're going to have people insult your mission and your ambition. You're going to have people who want to keep you down. You're going to be around people who will beat you down. What I'm saying to you, my friends, when the liars mount on you, when the pretenders mount on you, when the hypocrites mount on you, to rise up and stand for your dream. You have been chosen, my friends. You decided to hold yourself at a certain standard. You decided to do something better with your life. And when the majority sees that, the majority will wonder. The majority will think, why? I don't understand this. And what do people do when they don't understand something? They insult. Do you understand what you are right now? Do you understand who you are right now? You are glorious, significant, brilliant. And because you've chosen a high standard, because you've chosen to rise above mediocrity, those below you will try to pull you down. Don't hold fast to your faith, my friends. When the fake people come, and they're gonna come, when the insults come, and they're going to come, when the garbage starts to mount, and it will mount, stand firm, stand mighty, remain solid, stay pure. Do not let one insulting word penetrate your spirit. Do not let one fake friend penetrate your character, friends. Remember who you are. You are special, and you're trying to do something significant out here. Don't allow anybody to tell you anything. I got rules when dealing with garbage and negative people. Rule 1, keep the faith. Rule 2, work hard and play harder. Rule 3, never forget the first 2 rules. Rule 4, when people who are doing wrong tell you that you're not doing right, when people insult you, when people whisper in your ear, hey, stay off the path, get off the path. Be solid and shout, no, you move. Remember who you are. You are special, and you're trying to do something significant out here. Don't allow anybody to tell you anything different.